up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. Got a cool 1964 Chevy Malibu SS Chevelle up for sale today. We're going to do a complete walkthrough, go over the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly, so you know exactly what you get before you get it. We're going to do a complete condition walkthrough. We'll also start it up, make sure the mechanicals all work. We'll point out every single flaw on the vehicle. Guys, if you like classic cars, please hit the subscribe button to see all of our new inventory as we get it in. Subscribe right now. This way you can watch as me and Chris go out and buy classic cars. We have an episode of Chasing Classics, plus you get to watch us sell these cars just like this beautiful drop top 64. 1964 Malibu SS convertible. It's finished in this blue paint with the blue interior. Black top. Top's in good shape, which we'll take it up and we'll show you. This is a true super sport. It's got a V8 350 non-matching numbers engine. Automatic transmission. Sitting on some rally wheels. Some nice tires. And overall, it's a solid driver condition vehicle. We'll start off with the paint. You can see my reflection in the paint, but the paint is not high quality. I will have to say that's the biggest flaw of this car. The paint looks good from a few feet away, but it's not high quality whatsoever. I would say it's probably medium quality paint. There's some spots in the car that look real good. I'm not sure if you can wet sand this paint and make this paint pop. I'm not sure if that's possible. Like the hood here doesn't have a lot of clear on it, it looks like. The sides look like they have plenty of clear and they shine good. But up top it doesn't look like it has great clear on it. You can see my reflection in it. But I would definitely say it's kind of substandard, the paint job. Possibly if you have a good paint corrector, you can get this paint to pop and shine. But that's pretty much the biggest flaw of the car. It doesn't have pop and paint. Whenever it was restored, it looks like they used older paint or not high quality. We'll start with the passenger side fender and tire. Tire's pretty much brand new. Hand-cooked tires, 205 75 14s with the rally wheel. This is a Chevelle trim. You got a flaw here and here. A flaw here. I don't feel any body work, but you do have a little bubble here. I was trying to feel if there's anything here, and it's not, just a little bubble there. The wheel looks to be in good shape. Body seems to be pretty straight. It's not perfect, but it's not terrible. Like I said, the paint is not the best, but it still looks good. You'll still get a lot of looks in this car, especially for what it is, it being a convertible Chevelle Malibu SS. The gap in this door gets tight here, and it's open up here, and you can see the flaw there. Over here, the gap's tight up here, it gets a little bit bigger here, so the gaps are okay, so-so on this car. Door test, I barely shut it and it shuts good. Nice strong door. The hinges are good on this one. I'm closing that really lightly. This door has a little chip here. The seals here are gone. That's going to need to be replaced. While we're up here, let's look at the windshield. Windshield looks to be in great shape. I don't see any flaws. Dash pad looks like it's newer. That's got no issues. Antenna, it's got a little lean to it. A couple little flaws down here. 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 The car does show very well. Again, tires brand new. Rally wheels in good shape. I would say this is driver quality. This is a good driver. Get in, have fun with it. You ain't winning a car show for sure, but this thing can hold its own and people are going to give you honks. I've driven it around and I got honks in it, people looking at it, and it's just an iconic car. Yeah, body line's not perfect. I see a little wave right here. But the color's beautiful. I will say that. It's a little, in person when the light hits it, it's got like a green tint to it. It's more blue in the video, but it's got a good like speckle green tint to it with the light hitting it. Going up on top of the deck lid. Deck lid gets tight here. The gap is more here. Got a little crack up there. This side's sitting a little bit more over. And then you got some wear up here where the top was sitting. Or not the top, but just not really sure what this is. I'm not sure if they had something sitting up here. The bezels are showing their age. The trim's showing its age. Bumper looks like probably was a replacement because it does look good. We'll go in the trunk in a little bit, take a look at that. But just some surface scratches. You can see here a little bit of surface scratches in the paint. Moving on to this side. This side's just about the same as the other side. Body lines are similar. I don't see any bubbling or anything here. Just a little bit of surface scratches there. This side actually looks better than the other side, in my opinion. Tire, same as the other one's, brand new. Trim piece here. A couple imperfections in the door here. Let's go ahead and close the door, do a light close, and she closes good. Do it again. That closed better the second time. I would say the other door closes a little bit better. This one I have to be a little bit harder with. And then the gap here. And I'm guessing it's had some body work at some point right here. I see a little bubble there. Looks like maybe it had body filler, I'm not sure. Very small. Let's look at the glass. Glass looks good. This glass looks good. That looks good. Again, tire new. Rally wheel looks good. What do you guys think? I think the car shows well. Would you agree with my assessment about the paint? And that's if you want to make it a show car. Moving on to the hood. The hood, you got up here in the fender, a flaw here. You got a flaw there. The hood, though, It sits real good on this side. It's a little bit higher on this side, right about here. It's not terrible, that's not super noticeable. Your bumper's in good shape. Lights are in good shape. Grill's in good shape. Seems to be fine. All right, guys, let's climb under the car. We're gonna go under to check out the undercarriage. We'll open up the hood, the trunk. We'll then go on the inside, start it up, and then put the top up. Yeah, so underneath it looks clean. Floors look solid, frame rail looks good. It just looks old, but it doesn't look like anything was restored. It looks original. Perfect bones on a car. Okay. So you got a cover here for the top, the cover for the car. All this is solid. The trunk is all solid. This is all good. Looks good. That looks good. Cool. Pop open the hood real quick. $350. Power steering, manual brakes. Here's your cal tag right there. Well, fired up, guys. See how she sounds. Let's open up this door real quick. That's just a raw startup, guys. Engine sounds good. Sounds great, actually. So we're missing this. Horn's not working. 48,981 miles. I'm assuming 149. We got our 3 gauges here that show the water temperature, oil pressure, RPMs here. The only thing I'm not sure it's working is the fuel gauge, and we're gonna have to check. Wipers are working. Let's check the lights. That light's working. This bulb's out, so that's gonna need to be replaced. Which that's an easy fix. Left turn signal's working. Right turn signal's working. All right, guys, up for sale now at bobevansclassics.com. Give us a call or go on our website. This thing's clean, ready for a new home. Engine sounds great. Show you the top real quick. All right, guys, it's actually a power top. Buttons right here. Top's in good shape. So you got a power top, CHEVELLE. It goes up and down pretty good. Up for sale now, guys. Give us a call or go on our website, bobevansclassics.com. Appreciate you checking out our page. God bless the USA. Let's go.